Hello, Gagan sir. How are you? Actually, I'm shooting this video for how to operate the admin panel of the Grant Center portal. Okay. So first of all, you can see here the first menu management. Here, as you click, and you can see there are some menus, and some menus are listing here in this page. Okay. If you want to add it, delete this existing menu, you can do from this action blue color button. As you click on this edit parts, you can edit menu. Okay, so like this you can do the anything, and if you want to add the new menu, you can click the page page management. Okay, as you click on this, and you can see the new pages, and you need to fill the details like what page you are uh, creating. And there's a select type. First of all, you select the home page, that is or not, that is home page. Then select the uh, parent page. Parent page means in which that page you are creating, in which under the you can select. Like if you want to create the pages in under the about us, then you select the parent about us. Okay, so like this you can create the page. And now we can see here this second part is event management. Okay, as you click on the event management page, you can see here the event management. There are some test event already upload here, and now need to upload your the actual events. Okay, that is how you can upload. You can just click on the event management tab, and just as you click on this tab, and you can see here the one new pages. Okay, that is need to fill up the event details. Like as you click on the select type here in the new events, that is the coming soon events. Okay, and grant center program event, that is the grant membership events we can. Okay, and you can write title, date, okay, which timing. Okay, and select city. You can first of all put the all cities name in the portal, and then you can select here the. Okay, actually you can put the many cities and state in the portal with the admin panel. And now here the all state and cities will show in the listing. Now you can select the location, now price. Okay, if you want to this event show in the exclusive tab, you can click here. And as you click here on the exclusive, your event will come in the exclusive. Okay, now you want this event to show in the classic auditorium, means you want to move this event in the classic tickets or grand tickets. Like you have the 650 seats, and there's the 250 seats. So uh, in which auditorium you want to move this, you can just click on the switch button, classic or grand, and you can switch event. Okay, that redirect in that, and that the all seats are available for that events for booking for the user and customer. Okay, so you only need to switch the button. Okay, and now in the below of the page, you can see here the YouTube link. You can see here, you can put it the YouTube links, that is the the trailer, that is the some type of the advertising, that is the some type of the we can say coming soon pages, okay. And now you can upload the thumbnail images, okay, of that event show in the portal, and that is the moved on the available for the ticket as the date. Okay, so this is the process of the how you can upload the events. Now we grant center management here. Okay, we can see just I uploaded some images of the grant center management, like. Okay, and you also can, like if you click on the grant centers. Okay, just you can see here the grand auditorium, classic auditorium, royal lobby. You need to upload the new images. You need to upload some creative images of the grand ballroom, grand center, and any you can upload from this pages. Okay, and you need to put it the title and the subtitle, images, YouTube link, descriptions about that. Okay, sub descriptions and submit, and that images will show in that particular pages you have to upload. Okay, so like this next part is management testimonial. Okay, here you can send them all the testimonials, like you can see here, and then the part in the front of the okay, one second, like this is the testimonials. Okay, you can upload this with the help of the admin panel testimonials parts. Okay, and now you need to manage gallery. If you have the all images of the grand centers, that is the randomly you can upload in the gallery page, you can use this tab manage gallery, and you can upload from this page the video and the images both. Okay, and you need to click just on the manage gallery, and here the page is available to uploading the all images of the gallery page. Here you need to upload the name and just browse the image, and if you have the description then you need to put it, otherwise it is not mandatory, you can submit. Okay, after the upload the image. And now the final of the, there is the this is the manage gallery, this is the all. And now site setting management. Here is a logo part, you can change the contact details like your email IDs, your contact number, and the logo of the company you can change here. Okay, this is all about and if anything is else you have the queries, then you can shoot a video regarding that ki, I need to improvement particular page or particular designing related issues. Okay, you can send me. And okay, thank you, bye bye.